Hi, in this tutorial we'll learn to edit the premises and insert doorways. The second group of tools is used for editing the geometry of the premises that are already drawn. The first tool is the rectangular area tool. The first step is to define the location of the area that needs to be added or subtracted. To do so, tap a point on the wall and drag it along. The feature of this step is that it has multiple ways of proceeding, depending on where the initial point is taken, somewhere along the wall or from a coexisting corner. If you tap on the corner and then drag it to another corner, the whole wall will be moved. If you just tap once, the area will be set by default. After you define the area location, you have to specify the set of dimensions depending on the method used. Each required dimension will be highlighted by a green marker. The second tool is the triangular area tool. The first step is the same as in the previous tool. You can place the area template to the wall, edit any corner of the room, or incline the whole wall. You then have to define all the dimensions that the app will ask you to specify. The third tool is the arc area tool. The first step is the same as with the previous tools. As before, you can place the area template on the wall, edit any corner of the room, or bend the whole wall. On the second step, the user is asked to define two distances from the base point to the closest corners. In other words, diagonals. You can change the default diagonals by tapping on the desired corner. When you bend the whole wall, it's possible to change the method of fixing the point, so that you can just measure the distance from the top of the arc to the opposite wall. The next tool is a moving wall, which will allow you to change the position of the wall relative to another wall. At first, you have to select the wall to move, then the base wall, and finally input the new distance. The Edit Point tool is working in two modes. It can change the position of existing points or add a point on the wall. When you define the approximate position of the point, you have to fix a new location by using diagonals as in the previous tool. The third group of tools is used for inserting apertures into the wall. All the tools work the same as the rectangular area tool. For all types of apertures, you have to specify two height parameters, distance from the floor and height. For doors, distance from the floor means the height of the threshold. That's all for today. Thanks for your attention.